Yo. Let me start out over. Let me tell you what this video is about. I'm gonna teach you how to brush swirlhive. I'm gonna teach you the angles that I brush. Enjoy the intro. Yo, what's up? Baby, barbershop, back again. Now it's time to get down to business. First thing you'll need is obviously a brush. I'm gonna use this palm brush. Preferably if you have one with pointed edges, that will help out a lot. But if you don't, you can make anything work. Let's get started. So you're gonna start like this, right? You see my crown area. So you're gonna, that's my angle right here. So first angle is this, and then go like this. So whenever you brush in a swirl kind of pattern, it's always best to brush like this. Brush from the back and go to the front. That's all attacking the crown. So the crown area, use a pointed tip. You're gonna soft, not too much pressure, and then you're gonna brush into the pattern. So as you notice, on my left side, my top is kind of going into a slant. A slight slant, not too much. So for instance, you see the top of my pattern, the side's going off a slant. And then you brush your side angles, you know, the regular. So these are much angles you're gonna be brushing, right? Not that hard. So you're gonna start at the tip of your brush. Go boom. Soften the crown. Be a little more firmer as you get out the crown. 1, 2. Close at 3. Use the tip of the crown. 4, 5. Just straight down 6. Comes out right here. 7. Tip of the crown. Remember, the crown is on the side, just remember that. So you brush, close the crown, that's it. Get some vertical brush in there. All right. And that's how you brush these swirlhive patterns. Well, these swirlhive angles. All right. That being said, You ain't know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples, and I'm gonna see you next video.